Hello. Here we go. There is CPI released a half hour before open. I don't think it'll matter because the data released yesterday showed that the economy was completely falling apart. GDP collapsed. Unemployment or jobless claims ticked up. And inflation ticked up. So the Fed's worst nightmare. It was terrible. And yet the market, the market, that was the news, market drops, and then it's just like, must go up. So I don't think it really matters what the news says. I think the market is probably going to push up. I think we probably hit my target of 614 or so before dropping. We're almost there. Oh, that's not it. That's showing the divergence. Where did my line go? Anyways, right here, 614.40. That's the 786 retracement. So I think we go up to there. We'll see. The market does what the market does. The upper expected move is right there at 615 with the lower expected move at 605. That's right here. Right about here. This is 604, but general area. The 5-day moving average is all the way down at 598. 598, way down there. I think the market is getting near a top. But, the market can be irrational longer than you can be solvent. Here is the VIX on an hourly. On the daily, it just looks like a pullback. We might come all the way back down here to 1930 or so before pushing up. And again, it all depends on oil. Everything depends on oil, what oil does. If oil gets above 100 and stays above 100 on this run, then the market will have no choice but to turn down, I think. So it all depends on if they can keep oil down. Now, oil has no business staying down, but again, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So there's no sense in fighting it. I just keep buying oil. And my preferred are the OIHs. OIH is the ETF. Its three major components are SLB, formerly Schlumberger. That's a fantastic looking chart, breaking out again. And BKR, Baker Hughes. Why did my mind just go blank? Schlumberger, Baker Hughes, Halliburton. That is a different looking chart than the other two. That's getting ready to make a move, either up or down, break out or break down. Interesting. XLU looked like it was ready to break out also for sectors. That's the XLU, the OIH, and the XOPs. No, that does not look good. What about XLE? URA, uranium. That is in a bottoming process. Rare earths should get a pullback. That's interesting that OIH is up, but XOP and XLE are down. Those are down, and OIH and XLU are up. Interesting. That's all right. I'm in OIH and XLU, so that works. Just a little something for XLU, if anybody's looking in there. Your two high risk, high reward in that sector are going to be Hawaiian Electric here, HE, and Ottertail, which looks like a fantastic chart. I was telling the group, this is a great chart looking. That looks fantastic. All right. Just some random ideas. I would, again, Taiwan Semi looks like it's going, the market could run up, but that is not, these are not where I would want to be. Your Microsofts, your Googles, your Metas. They may run up, but that's not, that daily chart does not look as good as that daily chart. Not even close. Just something to think about. All right. And with that, be safe out there. Be wise, be bold, and as always, good luck.